This is a really big cat. Theo! Theo! You silly dog. You silly dog. They're tired. Too tired to play. They've been playing outside. Uh-oh. Look out! We have company! Oh, no takers. Everybody's too tired. Of course, as soon as I turn the camera off, they'll start playing. Uh-oh. Now what am I gonna do? Theo! No. No. Hey! Don't eat my foot. Give it. That's a cat toy. What do you think, you're a big cat? Huh? You think you're a big cat? We're running a test on the movie making capabilities of my little Canon elf. Give me that. Give me that. Hey! It's like fishing. Fishing for a big, huge cat. There's a little cat. Bravest cat in the world. Theo! He's funny. He's a funny dog. Goof. What, Josie? You wanna play? She had a play date next door, so she's tired too. There's Theo. Give it. Give it back. Give it back. You're gonna destroy it. Now he's eating my foot. Don't eat my foot. Don't eat my foot, you monster.